going to take you through some of the popular places in Chairty. I am in a boat with Mr. Macbull. Those who live around the Chairty area would know that Mr. Macbull is a very popular. His family has been very nice to anyone who visits them. As you can see, I just got a water coconut. So lovely people. So Mr. Macbull, how old are you? Tell me a little bit about Chairty.
Chairty, I am 78 years of age. I came to Chairty 1979. Operator sawmill up to 1992. Then eventually I got into the gas operation with grocery shop. I'm here as a businessman all the time. I know about the Chairty, a part of the NDC, and the whole development of Chairty. But presently, we have a lot of ups and downs.
Yes, the economy has been really slow right now. But Mr. Macbull is the owner of a gas station. He's a business, as you can see, he's a 3 gas stations, right? He's the owner of 3 gas stations. He, how many children you have?
Well, with this measures, I have 2.
Yes, he is a proud father of 2. And Mr. Macbull is a very kind person. Make sure if you visit Chairty, you come and say hi to Mr. Macbull. He's right at the Chairty waterfront. So at Chairty, the main economic activity here is fishing. As you see, there is a fishing boat, and most likely they're going to the Maruka area, where they normally fish in the Maruka district. So they normally come out at the Chairty waterfront to sell their fishes and whatever. There's a wharf, Big Bird Wharf, so there's where the marketing happens. So there's a hub of activities going on at Chairty. And for those that are visiting Guyana, make sure that if you come to the lovely Essequibo, make sure you make Pomeroon River one of your destinations.
Thank you guys for watching this video. It's all based on Chairty. Chairty is a village part of the Pomeroon Supanam region in Region 2, and I was very happy to feature this area, particularly with Mr. Macbull and his family. I am particularly grateful for the assistance of Ashti Candy and Kumari Pasad, and I hope to bring more videos like this in future. If you would like more videos like this, or if you have any more suggestion, please comment, share, and subscribe, and I will surely have